Hi guys, welcome back in this new SaaS review video. This is Sohaib and you are watching Digital Sohaib. So in this video we are gonna talk about one tool that will help you to increase your conversion rate and it will decrease your cost per click rate. Okay, so I'll review this tool completely in this video, but watch this video till the end so that you can get clear idea about this tool, how you can use it and how this tool is helpful for you. So without getting delay, let's jump into it. So guys, the tool name is Speed PPC, which we will talk about. Okay, so how this tool will help you to increase your conversion rate, roll out target PPC and campaign that increase conversion and decrease spend. Pay per click campaign might help get your name out there, but making those click convert is a different story. For the sake of my ad budget, please get off the fence, window shoppers. Unless you have got an expert team to help build your campaigns, you are stuck using ineffective pay per click tools that limit you or cost too much to keep up, right? You need a solid platform for building and managing effective campaigns while keeping tabs on your competitor and saving your ad budget. Speed PPC hit the sweet spot between basic and complicated, offering an easy interface and a wealth of tools to manage multiple ad campaigns simultaneously. You can use keyword research tools to create relevant keyword set and save them for use within your campaign, whether you are working bid keywords, negative keywords or both. From there, you will be able to build targeted ad campaigns that perfectly match the keyword people search, which boost click-through rates and quality scores, so you are paying less for more traffic. And with dynamic landing page integration, you can generate a unique URL for every keywords that presents to most relevant content. So like this tool will help you. Now if you are interested to buy this tool, so you can buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo Marketplace is a platform where you can buy all digital tools for your businesses. You can automate your businesses with the help of these tools. AppSumo is a leading digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. If you will buy this tool from here, so you will get a lifetime deal from AppSumo, which is only $69. Once you have to pay and you can get access and you can access this tool for lifetime. And also they have mentioned all the detail about this tool, where you can know more, where you can read more about this tool, and you can understand about this tool, how you can use it and what features they have included in this tool. Okay, all the planning features are already have mentioned, and they have 3 license tiers. If you will go with license tier 1, so you have to pay $69 and all the features in license tier 1 you will get. And if you will go with license tier 2, so you have to pay $139 for one time and you will get this tool for a lifetime. And if you will go with tier 3, so you have to pay $299 and you will get all the benefits with this tool. And also they are giving you 60 days money back guarantee with this tool. If you are not satisfied with this tool after purchasing, so you can get back your refund, right? But if you will buy this tool from their official website, so you have to pay $69 monthly. If you will go with popular plan, so you have to pay $69 monthly, and if you will go with PPC agency plan, so you have to pay $199 monthly. And all these benefits you will get with these tools. They have an add-on also. So once you will buy this tool, so you have to create your account with your name, mail ID, mobile number, password, and after that you have to generate your code. After buying this tool, you will get your code. That code you have to generate, and after that you can access this tool for lifetime. And after coming this dashboard, so you can check your all the campaigns. You can add your new campaigns, share with me, keywords. Okay, you can add your keywords, ads, add expand, ad set, add new call only and ad set, add responsive research ad set, integrate competitor. If you will go with this option, which is research, so competitor comparison, expand keyword, suggest keyword, competitor landscape, potential ad placement, competitor text ad spy. So all these things you can do here and you can increase your conversion rates, right? So this tool is really amazing. If you will use this tool, so you can decrease your cost per click rate. If you are using Google ad, Facebook ad, whatever you are using for your ad campaigns, by using this tool, you can increase your conversion and you can decrease your cost per click rate. I hope you found this video helpful for you. So if you found this video helpful for you, so hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell also, so that whenever I will be reveal my new video, so you will get a notification. And if you want to buy this tool, so I have mentioned my affiliate link in my video description, so you can go through that link. Whenever you will click on that link, so you will be redirect on this landing page. After coming this landing page, just scroll down, and if you want to check their official website, so you have to click here on this link, which is Speed PPC. Whenever you will click on this link, so you will be redirect on their official website, right? And they are also giving you a 14 days free trial. So if you want to use this for free, if you want to take a trial, so you can take, right? So thanks for watching this. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye, and take care of yourself.